Won't bear the headache. There, I said it. Went through hell, saw a sign and read it. Law 5 said if I fall, the jaws are heading my way. Deader in pain, I still stain the paper. Plain pages turned to masterpieces. My track releases and laughter ceases. I snatched the fetus of that bastard Jesus. So don't you dare say bless you when you pass the sneezes. My rap disease is viral. My suicidal thoughts, and I know there's hydro and Tylenol. Or make sure that there's 9 pull. Mind your skull. I find the dullness in my challenges. Amateurs, I'll craft another canvas for my managers. But I'm self-employed, so what I'm dealt can join. Though often coins, I almost felt this joint. But what's the point of fame and fortune? If in the flames I'm scorching, take caution. I'm brainwashing orphans, forcing forth a dosage of decoded explosives like hold this, disposing of foes in my own crib. Blown ribs, both shins fractured. Slight grin, sinister laughter. Witness the rapture, menace is captured. Business I mastered, see it's just a scheme. A lust for cream, extreme funds, and a custom team. I won't stop till God fears me, and I'm clearly the Hitler of rap. Quick to attack with his intents, click on the map. Nemesis on the track, innocence isn't winning us back. I'm that menace that replenishes with his giddance and yak. Calling rappers out, challenge them. Manage the brand and damaged and banished. The manly vanished and savagely track them down. Can't collapse now, too much is at stake and I take this battle. Clever scrabble, letters unravel and sever his vowels. Round 2, lyrics exchange, spirits enrage. Wordplay, her razor blade to the vein sharp that explains art. I remain dark, spark the flame, light the torch, quick to grip the mic of course, fight force to the right source. Most quarter order armies, a quarter Bacardi can hardly harm me. Darwin's theories alarming, guarding my farm in the weed. Free MCs on with knees, the empty at Bentleys, then fleeing an M3. Friends be the ones who sell you out with no reasonable doubt. The shout to take the food out of your kid's mouth, yo. It only takes a minute to win it, leaving you didn't. Seen in the tinted, rented, you're dead and I'll leave you in it, I'm sinning. 1207, Kevin was born, heaven was torn. 11 brethren with Mac 11s withdrawn. Check G's to seize the respect, your knees to the neck. A breeze in my chest of trees, yes I see with assess. Believe that you're next to bleed for your rep, you need to get wet. I've been in trouble since me and Double D met. Bet it on, drawn weapons to step on your forge. I see Spawn repping it all, my life hint will swarm. I'm bent by my strong, verbals elite. Release burglar and thief, murder beef, vertical reach, burners and heat, brief burning the leaf, chase the diesel, face unbelievably evil, my people illegally keep greet you, beating, defeat you, deceitful cause I speak true, seeking weak cruise through streets and taking they sticks too. Man, come on man, I go all day, what's up? You want a couple more bars?